So today I'll be showing you how to reset network settings on the iPhone Air. So you want to go into settings and then go to general, tap on that. Under general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. And then tap on reset. And then from the options, tap on reset network settings. Enter your passcode. And then it's going to ask you to confirm. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. And tap on reset network settings. Now your phone will show the Apple logo, but don't panic because this is not deleting your user data. It's not deleting anything else besides resetting your network settings. So just be patient. Your phone will restart. And it should be good to go. Thanks for watching and good luck.